Hi, it's Sue. I got to thinking, maybe I should grow my own tomatoes this summer. So I went to Shaw's and I bought some tomato seeds. And then I remembered back in the day when my father would take seeds out of a tomato and you have to let the slimy part of the outside of the seed dry and the seed dry, and then you could plant those. So I was researching on the internet and I saw a woman who simply sliced a tomato and put it in dirt, and in about 14 days the tomato plants flowered, the seedlings. And I thought, can that be real? So I'm going to do like a little experiment, a test. Half of my pan is going to be from the traditional seed, which I know those grow in like 7 to 10 days. You'll see those sprout. And then the other half of the pan is going to be a slice or slices of tomato. And I'm going to keep a photo record of it to see over the next couple of weeks and make a comparison between the tomato and the packaged seeds. So if you want to do this, you can, but I'll just tell you what I'm doing. I first went outside and I got some rocks. I washed them off so that I didn't get weeds in my experiment. And then I'm just going to fill the bottom of the tray. The rocks allow for drainage, so when you grow your plants, they don't get all soggy and wet. And you put your first layer of dirt in, move it around, okay? And so I'm going to mark about halfway on the pan. Mark right about here so I know. About halfway. One half is going to be the sliced tomato and the other half will be a seed. And then I'll tape the empty package to the end of the tray so that I can remember which side is which. All right, so let's start with the regular old seed. Okay. They're very small and you don't want to bunch them all together. I don't know if you can see them in my hand. They're kind of the same color as my skin, and you're going to just drop them onto the soil, spread them out a bit, and on this side we're going to have the seeds. Okay, so there and there. And then to remind myself which side is which, I'm going to tape the package to this side so I remember. All right. Now then on this side, I'm going to try what I saw on the internet, and I don't know if it's going to work or not. But you just take a tomato, and I'm not going to use that end, but you can see inside the tomato there are seeds. And I've never done this before, so I have no idea if this is going to work or not. But it'll be fun to compare. All right, so we take our tomato slices and we're going to arrange them, kind of seems crazy, but we're going to arrange them in the dirt. So on this side, we have the seeds, and this is the sides on the tomato. Then according to what they say, is you just cover it all over with dirt, and in anywhere between 7, 10 days up to, for the tomato slices, they say it can take up to 2 weeks. So I'm covering over the slices and the seeds, and I'll make a comparison as they pop up through. I'll take pictures and we can compare how that works. The last thing you want to do is just take a little water. I'm just filling the water up right now. And you want to make the soil moist but not soggy. You keep it in a sunny spot and keep the water, the soil watered every day. So you don't want it to be soupy. All right, so here we are. Our experiment has begun. We're tagged on the side that's seeds, the other side is tomato, and I'll take pictures over the days and we can see what happens. Thanks for joining me.